Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best Sawzall scraper blade on the market, the Jikbeed Sawzall scraper blade. This tool is designed as a powerful attachment for your reciprocating saw, making tough removal jobs like linoleum, glue, vinyl flooring, self-adhesive tiles, and glued carpet pads easier and more efficient than ever before. Right from the start, what sets the Jikbeed scraper blade apart is its construction. Made from 100% stainless steel, this blade promises durability and strength. Plus, it's re-sharpenable, which means you get more life out of each blade, saving you money in the long run. The blade's universal design means it fits any brand of reciprocating saw, and the package includes 4 different scraping tool attachments. Sizes ranging from 0.4 inches to 4 inches, so you have the right tool for every scraping task. If you're tackling stubborn materials like thin set, ceramic tile adhesives, tough adhesives, tape, grease, drywall mud, linoleum, paint, wallpaper, rubber back carpet, or vinyl tile, this scraper blade is built to handle the job. It's designed to do the hard work for you, reducing strain on your elbows and hands, and letting your saw's reciprocating action do the heavy lifting. A key tip when using this blade is to maintain an angle of about 45 degrees or less with your saw. Let the tool do the work without applying extra pressure, which can risk breaking the blade where it attaches to the saw. This technique helps extend the life of the blade and ensures smoother, more efficient scraping. The blade is compact yet versatile, suitable for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts looking to make flooring removal and surface preparation simpler and faster. Its stainless steel build resists corrosion, ensuring the blade remains reliable even after multiple uses. Another advantage of choosing the Jikbeed scraper blade is the customer support behind it. If you're not satisfied with the product, you can get a replacement or a refund anytime, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. In terms of size and weight, the blade comes in a compact package, weighing just over 6 ounces, making it easy to handle and store alongside your other tools. It was first available in late 2022 and quickly climbed in popularity for those seeking a quality scraper blade for their reciprocating saw. To sum it up, the Jikbeed Sawzall scraper blade is a durable, versatile, and effective tool attachment that takes the hard work out of removing flooring materials and adhesives. It's a must-have for anyone looking to improve their efficiency and protect themselves from unnecessary strain during tough scraping jobs. If you're interested in a reliable, well-made reciprocating saw scraper blade that fits multiple saw brands and handles a variety of tough materials, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews on the best tools and gadgets. See you in the next video.